Let's talk about what stocks to buy daily or what stocks to trade daily for short term. First, we can screen the top gainers and top losers of the day. For example, we screen like top 10 counters for the gainers and top 10 counter for the losers. Then we look into if there is any news or what happened to the companies. And from there, we can try to look to, is it any opportunity for us to make a short-term trade? Is it a short-term fall or is it an opportunity or it is gone cash? Second, we can look at the most active counters. For example, we can look at the top 10 or top 20 most active counters for the day. Then from there, we do the same. We try to study what happened to the companies, what it is in the most active counters. Is it anything happened to the company or is it an opportunity for us to buy in to make a hit and run? Third, which is the most interesting part. If let's say during the market bear, which is the market bear red, you can look at what are the strong counters that are holding up well. For example, past few weeks our market is very bad due to the unstable politics. But there are few technology counters are doing quite well. For example, like gene tech, high tech, white tech, those counters actually up a lot, even the market is very bad. So you can look at it, either there is a short-term opportunity for you to make a trade. Next, we can look at the COVID cases, which related to our gloves counters, which is very interesting in Malaysia. You can look at it whenever there is a bombastic rises of the COVID cases, you can look at the movement of the gloves counters. It's actually react quite accordingly. Suddenly our cases boom up, the share price of the gloves counters also will increase. Besides that, we can also look at some of the hot news for the past few weeks. For example, Sabah Dynamic and the gang, SCIB and Care Power. From there, you can look at now the share price of the Sabah Dynamic, it seems like quite stable. Is it going to rebound more? So we can actually study into it and we might take a shot. Either we can make some money from there or we should avoid it. So that are some of the daily trading ideas that you can get. Last but not least, we can also look at the company news. For example, we can look at the daily news. What are the companies that are having news and maybe quarter results, or they have some awards, or they got some projects. Then from them, we can actually do our own analysis and maybe we can buy into the opportunity, or we can buy on the strength or buy on the weakness. So it actually depends on you, on how you screen it. In conclusion, those are some of the suggestions for you to screen what stocks to buy for daily. Of course, it is higher risk. So it depends either you are a trader or an investor. If you are an investor for long term, of course, you go for a safer way. If you would like to take opportunity in the stock market, then maybe these are some of the suggestions for you for a short-term hit and run. Feel free to follow our Facebook page, Know How in Share, in order to have more daily trading ideas, or welcome to ask us Know How in Share, your share market buddy. Thank you.